A large-scale fire in Yekaterinburg, Russia, at the Scientific and Production Association of Automation, named after academician N.A. Semikhatov. This is one of the largest Russian enterprises in the field of development and manufacture of control systems and electronic equipment for rocket and space technology, control systems for automation of technological processes in various industries. This is just a part of a continuing suffering on all levels in Russia regarding their failed invasion of Ukraine. They will suffer more. This morning, on the Kharkiv direction, the 33rd Separate Mechanized Brigade, along with the 207th Territorial Defense Battalion, thwarted an attempted breakthrough by the occupiers. The Russians used around 8 units of equipment and airborne groups, but their equipment was targeted by artillery fire, with one BMP vividly destroyed by the Sky Monsters UAV battalion. As a result, the Russians lost 48 soldiers, with some killed while fleeing, and others in a firefight. Additionally, 2 BMPs, 3 APCs, and 1 motorcycle were damaged. 1 BMP was destroyed, and 8 UAVs were downed. Recently arrested Russian Rear General, the former Deputy Minister of Defense Bulgakov. His house has been searched, and they found some rather odd items there, such as paintings with photoshopped faces of Ministry of Defense employees, including Shoigu. Ukrainian drone operator from the 14th Separate Mechanized Brigade skillfully leading a kamikaze drone to the most vulnerable spot between the hull and turret of a camouflaged Russian T-72 tank. It detonated and burned down. More than 30,000 houses and apartments in the Belgorod region have been destroyed or damaged since February 2022 by the Ukrainian army, said the governor of the Belgorod region. Vyacheslav Gladkov said in the Telegram channel, "In just 2.5 years, more than 30,000 houses and apartments were destroyed and damaged to date. More than 24,000 have been restored," said Gladkov. Which stage of the special military operation is this? Russian local channels say that there were Diamond Da-42 trainer aircraft at the airport during this tornado in Tatarstan. Hopefully there will be stronger tornadoes at Russian military air bases as well.
Твою! Ужас! Крышу сносит, смотрите!
Крышу сносит!
Вертолет тоже.
Russian propagandist Solovyev is mad about inflation in Russia. It hinders military production. He demands Russian central bank fix the problem. What Solovyev doesn't tell his audience is that the inflation in Russia is this high exactly because of the war. Inflation in Russia has surged over 9% this month, with prices for a wide range of goods and services rising, including potatoes, up 91% this year, and economy-class flights, up 35%. Russian central bank reports that reducing inflation will require a significantly longer period of higher interest rates than previously forecasted. The reasons for such unmanageable inflation are labor shortage due to the mobilization of men, U.S. sanctions that have made it more difficult to import goods from China and Turkey, and Russian society itself, since rising price tags have spurred some to cut consumption, limit vacations, or discuss where to find the best deals.
Был я там на встрече с рядом высокопоставленных офицеров, и присутствовали люди с заводов промышленных. И мы обсуждаем, что, сколько делается, производится. Я говорю, ну слушайте, нужно много. Ребята из армии говорят, нам надо не 20-30, а 200-300 там условно изделий. И заводчане говорят, а как? Как? У нас же, оказывается, экономика перегрета. У нас же, оказывается, процентная ставка такая. Видно, гражданка Набиуллина не знает, что мы воюем против 50 стран. Видно, гражданка Набиуллина считает, что главное – это война с инфляцией. А как производить? Вот как сейчас взять кредиты и что-то сделать?
Никак.
Как открыть новые заводы? Как конкурировать с могучим Западом, а он гигантская экономика, и произвести больше и лучше, чтобы это пошло на фронт не через 5 лет, а как можно быстрее. Вот я не могу себе представить, идет Великая Отечественная война, и структуры, отвечающие за кредитно-денежную политику Советского Союза, говорят, не, главное экономику не разогревать. А кто сейчас основной фактор, разогревающий экономику? Ну, ясно, что военно-промышленный комплекс. Но он же наиболее быстро развивающийся, ну и все с ним связано. Я понимаю, что Эльвира Шевкизадовна выдающийся профессионал, отмеченная всем, у нее своя задача. Может быть, кто-то объяснит, что сейчас, война идет.
And for the end, a local resident's view of the accidental Chinese rocket launch.
我靠，这火箭掉下来的呀，伙计，看，我操！ 咋回事啊？
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.